Hello dear friends, this is the Arduino UNO. This is a microcontroller. This board is the Arduino UNO. The Arduino UNO is a microcontroller. It contains the core of the microcontroller, which is this CPU, which is a microcontroller called Atmega 328. We can supply voltage to this board through three ways. This is the first one, which is a USB connection that you can connect it to any USB like a mobile charger or to the notebook or to the PC desktop computer or to any source of USB power. And the second one is this barrel jack. The barrel jack is that is using the AC 220 volt or 120 volts. So we are taking the 220 volts from the mains and supplying 9 volts to the barrel jack. The barrel jack is just this one very famous one, and we can supply voltage as well from this pin, which is called VN. This one, VN. We can supply voltage here up to 7 volts as maximum. We should not give more than 7 volts. Okay, then this microcontroller has these two lines of connection points, this one line and this one line on the other side. So these pins, each pin has its function, its purpose. Okay, these pins are the A0 to A5, which is 6 pins, 6 connection points, which are analog points. Analog points means it can accept or can deliver voltage between 0 and 5 volts. So it could be 0 or 0.1 or 0.2 or 0.6 or 1.3 or 3.4 up to 5 volts. So this is the analog. This line is the digital from here to here. So we have here 16 connection points. These are digital points, and some of them we can use them as PWM, pulse width modulation. Each one we will come through some projects. Then we will accept more about it. Okay, so these are the analog and this is the digital, and here is someone ground and as well someone for SDA for connection with peripherals. Okay, here are for voltages connection points. This one is the VN that we are supplying volt to the Arduino UNO, and the other one is ground and 5 volts. This ground, we have to connect this ground with the ground of the sensors or the other devices we are going to connect to the Arduino. And there is as well 5 volt and there is 3.3 volts. The 5 volts and 3.3 volts are being delivered from the Arduino UNO to the sensors. From the Arduino UNO to the sensor. So this is an output voltage, output point. Okay, here are some LEDs. One is for transmit, one is for receive, and one is for connected to the pin number 13 to show the status of pin number 13. Okay, and this one is the clock because it is an electronic circuit and it's a controller, so it needs a pulse. This pulse, this crystal oscillator is providing the clock pulses to this microcontroller so the microcontroller can run. Okay, and this crystal oscillator connected to these capacitors, so it will generate the pulses for the microcontroller. This one is the voltage regulator, that when it receives some voltage from the USB or from the barrel jack, then this stabilizer will stabilize the voltage and will supply as well 5 volts, which is stable to the microcontroller. Okay, this is enough for now, and we will come again in the next video. Thank you very much.